we can create an application on an Arduino, a simple microcontroller board, to flash Morse code. An application in Arduino is known as a sketch. Our sketch will flash the board's LED for a short period for a dot, also known as a dit, for a longer period known as a dash or a da. Here's the Arduino board. We'll connect the Arduino through a USB cable to a host, a personal computer. That's where we'll run the tools we use to program the Arduino. That will be a lot simpler than writing the programs on the target Arduino board itself. Our host allows us to run an integrated development environment, or IDE. The IDE gives us a nice editor in which we can create C programs. It allows us to compile those C programs into instructions, load them into the board, and manage their execution. Here's a simple piece of C code. It compares two values A and B and sets max val to the larger of the two. We can use the abstraction of a function to create the max function that takes in two values, compares them, and returns the larger value. The max value allows us to both identify this as a particular useful operation and to reuse it. The setup function initializes the Arduino board. In this case, it tells the LED hardware to operate as an output. This UML sequence diagram shows how the sketch works. The sketch uses a timer that exists in hardware in order to measure time intervals. It calls the timer using the function delay. The argument to delay gives the amount of time that the program wants the delay to occur. It calls delay. The delay function delays for a certain amount of time and then return. We can use the delay function to manage when the LED is on and off. We turn it on for a short interval, for a dot. We then wait before we start to put out the dash, which holds for a longer period. We can then wait another interval between characters. The dot-dash combination is A in Morse code. The loop function is executed repeatedly by the Arduino. The code turns on the LED, then turns it off in order to send a dot. It then waits, and it puts out a dash, which holds for a longer interval. Then puts out a space between characters, and it will repeat. Thanks for watching.